Hey guys, Ben here. Lots of news about Windows Phone over the last couple of days. Obviously Windows Phone 8, huge announcement, but also the news that Windows Phone 7.5 customers are going to get upgraded to Windows Phone 7.8. And I want to show you what that's going to look like right now. What I love about Windows Phone 7.8 is you're going to get the same UI as Windows Phone 8. And that means that you've got medium tiles here that we're all familiar with, live tiles. We can also have these small tiles as well. You see I've got a couple of them pinned up top. Now if I want to make a tile bigger or smaller, all I have to do is hold down that tile, and now in addition to pin and unpin, which you're familiar with on Windows Phone 7.5, now with one touch I can make the tile large to give me more information about what's going on inside that app or inside that action. I can make it medium, which is the same size tile that we're all familiar with and we know and love. And then I can make it small again and make it fit here with 4 across on my home screen. So now with Windows Phone 7.8, I don't just have the ability to change the color theme of my phone and pin the stuff that I care about to my phone. I'm going to have the ability to make things small, medium, or large, so now I can really make my phone all about me and all about the stuff that I care about. It's going to be pretty awesome.